Okay, so we are back. Happy Monday. We're back. So we think last time we were around here, right? Expecting a big move the following day. Um, yeah, this here had to simmer it down a bit over the weekend. So we did take 3 trades here, one max from our rule of 1 or 2 max, but then we realized in the macro aspect of things, we have a rule of one of 2 trades max. So in reality, if I do that a week, that's 10 trades. I took 7 trades, so we were underneath the parameters pretty much. But it did hurt our ego. 3 back-to-back straight losses. Just Friday we were just looking at how price was just taking buy side and sell side, and then we got in. Actually, here's a little recap for Friday. We took a buy from here, right? This is your USD. You see how all of this news is happening, right? Drop to the 5-minute. So you see how we just, right? We got to charge at 845, just shot up. We took buy side. Then we were looking, okay, we're going higher. Where are we going to go? Our drawn liquidity was up here. And then it came right back down, took sell side. Once that sell side took, I saw this candle here, order block, nicely formed. We took the entry here. Our stop loss below here, which is 10 pips. Our point of interest was up here. We took 90% off here. We wanted to go higher, and then it failed and ended up coming back lower, respected the imbalance, and just broke our low. So it took us +7. So we caught up 1 to 2, pretty much. Not kid you not, it was a 1 to 1.5, and our ego was still hurt that day after we were done, because we were like, oh, we took 3 trades here, and then this. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. You just gotta get over it. Like those 3 losses, now looking back at them, like, look, I took a dub on Friday, easy, on to the next. You get what I'm saying? Control your emotions, control your thoughts, and that's it. So coming into this morning, our drawn liquidity was the fair value gap with order block right here, right? Coming from Friday, rejection of order block, this, right? There was news at 8:30, beautifully pushed. Now just wait to see stock exchange, right? I wanted to see if we were gonna get like a pullback or some sort. So drop it down to the 1 hour. You can see we basically got to the chart around 8:45-9. So I'm like, okay, we have this. As soon as this was formed, I was like, okay, I like how this and this looks. If I'm looking for a buy, I want it when it opens at 10, right? For it to pull back into this area. Going to the 15-minute, same thing, just breaking. We got here. I was looking at this area, but I was looking for my model. I was submitting to waiting for my model. So going down to the 5-minute, I didn't see my model whatsoever, right? It just took off, pulled back, and then followed through. Now, I did take something out. I started using my fib from point A to point B, pullback, expansion. And if that for me, I guess, would be an order flow entry, pretty much just basically saying we are just bullish, and that's take your shot, right? And then just stops below old lows, targeting our daily order block, fair value gap, drawn liquidity. So we didn't get no trade, pretty much. It just kept going higher and higher. And by the time I was like 11, I was like, yeah, nah, we're done. And you can just see it just gravitated. So we didn't take a trade today. We're seeing what's tomorrow. I don't think there's news tomorrow, so we'll just eye to see what the market wants to do. If there's an opportunity, if there isn't, we're not gonna rush it. And yeah, but that's pretty much it, right? Nice little recap for today. I like how we closed above here, but it could easily just come back down, right? But if it doesn't, then I would have to start looking up here or even go to the weekly. We ran the weekly high, so let's see. You know, we took weekly order block and see what it does. Big push for a Monday, so don't be surprised if tomorrow there's not that much expansion. But with that being said, Mom, I'm out.